Hi guys, now we have to continue on online earning. Another way is to online courses. If you have an skill you can teach others, it's also possible to set up an online courses you can market online. You can find online courses that teaches anyone from cooking to marketing or even freelance writing. Heck, I even after my own course for financial advisor who want to take their business online, the online advisor growth formula. Last year, I profiled my friends Joseph Michaels of Easy Course Creation. Michael offers several different courses, including courses on writing, software cards, Scrivener. Over the years, Michael has earned six figures or more annually selling courses that help people achieve the kind of success he has earned. More people set up their online courses through a platform like techable.com. With Techable, you can upload your course materials and use the platform to manage customer and accept payments. Another way is to podcasting. Another way to make money online is by hosting an online podcast. I have the Good Financial Set podcast to go along with my blog, and I use that platform to find new sponsor and advertiser all the time. I still remember getting my first sponsor on this podcast and finding out they were willing to pay $8,000 for me to include a short clip at the beginning of each broadcast for 90 days. That was insanely exciting to me at the time since I wasn't sure I would be able to monetize my podcast that much at first. However, there are tons of people making a lot more than me on their podcasts. Take the Entrepreneur on Fire podcast hosted by John D. Dewey. According to the show's most recent income report, this podcast brought in a net income of over 4 million dollars in March 2018. Now that's crazy. The key to getting ahead with podcasting is finding your niche, growing an audience, and then finding ways to monetize and connect with sponsors. This isn't the easiest way to make money online since there are a lot of logistics that go into writing, recording, and editing a podcast, but it is still worth considering. Number 6. Book sales. While the publishing industry used to be heavy in print, you can complete the entire process of writing, publishing, and marketing a book online these days. Websites like CreateSpace will let you upload and take your book to print without getting a formula publisher involved. And you can ever get your book on Amazon.com so people can buy it there. A blogger I know named Joseph Hogue has a successful blog, My Work from Home Money, and I thriving book publishing business. Hogue has written several books he has published online to create an ongoing source of passive income. He says he averages about 685 books sold per month to bring in an average of $187 in revenue. Not bad. Oh.